Ito po ang DTF machine namin. Araw-araw namin itong nagagamit. May 37 meters kaming na-run this week. Tapos na napalitan yung head nito is itong September 19, 2025. Ito po ang heads. Cupping, head clean, strong. Nasaan ang wiper after head clean? Nozzle check. Ang system ay tama lang. Missing tank linis Friday. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito po ang inventory. Cyan. Magenta. Yellow. Black. White ink. Powder. Film. Cleaning solution. Ito naman po yung weekly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.